In this video, we're going to be going over the laziest way to make money online in 2026. Yes, this is going to work in 2025 and 2026, probably for the next few years with some slight changes. But if you're watching this in 2025 or 2026, it works.
He didn't hunt for a winning product. He let the market whisper it to him.
So there's 4 different sections. So they have marketplace, where you can just browse through different products here. If you see anything you like, you can just import it to your store here. There's the handpicked product section, and these are products that they've manually picked out that have potential. So you can scroll here too. There's the trending product section, which shows you products that are currently trending, and you can find some really good ones here as well.
Inside AutoDS, he watched real ads with thousands of likes pop up like neon signs saying, "People want this." And then he spotted it. The pet nail clipper with comment after comment saying, "I bought this." It wasn't guesswork, it wasn't hype. It was simply following the trail of proof everyone else scrolls past.
And then they have the ad spy tool, which is my personal favorite because this allows you to search through ads that are currently active on Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. And that way you can see what's doing well for others right now and see if it makes sense for you to sell it as well. And you can also filter it by different keywords if you want. You can filter it by platform, number of likes, call to action button, interaction rate, or you can use the advanced filters here. And this allows you to narrow it down by country, by the creation date. So you're only seeing ads that have been made in the last 7 days, let's say. And you can also filter it by shares, comments, views, whatever else. So,
but just because people love it doesn't mean you should sell it. Next, watch how he checks if the profit margin actually makes sense.
And as you can see here, this ad has over 10,000 likes, 1.3 thousand comments, and 1.8 thousand shares. So the engagement is really good. And when we take a look at the comments, they're also very positive.
Guys, I planned for a pretty long video packed with value, education, and real case studies, exactly the steps that we take and we teach our students to make real money. And you, my friend, haven't liked the video yet. May I ask why? Come on, give me some inspiration. Like this video, share with your friends and family, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Switch on the notification bell button, because this is just the beginning. We upload a new training every single day, and you want to get notified by YouTube. And the only way to do that is to subscribe to our channel, and make sure you ask your friends and family to subscribe as well. And in this way, you also help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 90 days. So go ahead, like, share, and subscribe. Let's go.
So this person says, "I have this and it's amazing. I have this, it works great. It works awesome. It's about time. Thank you. We just purchased. I just purchased. I have this. It's way better than Clippers," etc. So we have a lot of people saying that they bought the product.
He didn't guess. He compared the store price to the AliExpress cost and realized he had almost $30. Profit every time someone clicked buy. That's when you know a product isn't just liked, it's worth selling. And instead of spending hours building a fancy website like most beginners do, he went full lazy genius mode. He let an AI store builder create the entire Shopify store layout for him in minutes. No design stress, no confusion, no overwhelm.
And a lot of people saying that it actually works well, which means the product is actually selling well. And this is what their site looks like. So they're selling the product for $39.95. And they have a pretty good looking product page here. They have some GIFs showing the product in use, explaining how the product works, some reviews here.
I will tell you more about it in a moment. Basically, we do digital marketing. We use AI, we use automation, and in our 99% done for you program, we help beginner 9-to-5ers and business owners like yourself earn high-ticket affiliate commissions like this. And the program is 99% done for you. If you're thinking how you can start with the free training video. Just go to moshbarry.com or click the link in the description or click the link in the bio to watch the full training video. It has 2 parts. In the first part, I will show you how we run our digital marketing business with AI. And in the second part, we will show you our program and how we can help you make these kind of passive commissions. So it's absolutely free to watch training. Go ahead, watch the training video. And if you have any question, DM me on Instagram. I'll be more than happy to answer all your questions.
Frequently asked questions, and then more reviews at the bottom. So pretty good product page overall. And when we go over to AliExpress, we can find the same exact product for $11.49. And it comes with free shipping as well. So that means that we have almost...
But even with a store, you still need something powerful to grab attention. And that's where the next step gets interesting.
Making the store for the product. So again, we're doing this the absolute laziest way possible. So we're going to be using AI to build the store for us. So I'll leave a link in the description for my free AI store builder. And all we're going to do is just come here and click build my free store. I'll need to sign up here and just follow a few steps afterwards. So I just entered in my details and I'm going to click sign up.
Because a store without traffic is just a lonely website floating in space. So instead of struggling with editing apps and late night YouTube tutorials, he did the smartest, lazy move you can make. He outsourced everything. A professional agency created multiple TikTok ads for him, different hooks, clean edits, and the exact style that makes people stop scrolling.
And now it's going to ask us a few questions, and then it's going to set up the store for us. So first we need to pick a niche. Let's go for pets. Now we need to choose our banners for our homepage. We need to select two. So let's do this one and this one. Click done. And now we'll need to actually set up the Shopify account and finish up a few more steps. I'm not going to go through the entire thing because I've already made a tutorial on how to do this. So I'll leave a link for that video in the description. But just for the sake of keeping this one simple and short, I'm not going to go through the entire thing on video. So I'll just go ahead and do that real quick, and I'll be back to you guys once I'm done.
But a good video is just half the battle. The real magic happens when he lets AI build the entire product page for him.
Last thing that we need to do is we need to get some ads made for it. So to do that, we're going to be using Launch Ads. If you guys don't already know, Launch Ads is a video ads agency. So they make video ads for you. You just order the package that you need, and they'll just go ahead and make the ads for you. So since we're going to be doing TikTok ads, we're going to be going for the TikTok split testing package.
Most beginners panic here and spend hours dragging boxes, fixing fonts, and arguing with Shopify like it's a toxic relationship. But he didn't touch a single line of text. He pasted one AliExpress link into an app called Page Pilot. And in seconds, the entire product page appeared. Headline, benefits, images, reviews, guarantee, everything done. No writer, no designer, no chaos, just AI doing the heavy lifting.
And this is $55, but if you become a VIP member, you literally get 75% off all of their services. So instead of $55, this is going to be $13, $14. So to become a VIP member, you literally just click here and you join their VIP club. It's $49 a month, but if you're going to be buying literally anything more than one ad from them, it completely pays for itself. So if you plan on using them a lot, I highly recommend you get this. And you can use code Marco15 to get 15% off. And now I'm just going to order their TikTok split testing package, and I'll be back to you guys once I'm done. All right, so I just finished ordering the ads. So now we're going to need to wait.
But even with a perfect page, nothing happens until you turn on the traffic machine. Want to see how he launches the TikTok ads?
We need to set up a product page for the product. Now this is something that we could do manually, but that'll probably take around half an hour, and we would actually have to do something. So instead we're going to be using AI to build a product page for us. The exact app we're going to be using is called Page Pilot, and what this does is it builds product pages for you in literally 10 seconds. So all we have to do is put in the link.
Instead of overthinking, targeting like most beginners, he kept it simple. One goal, sales. He set up a TikTok campaign, chose the US, picked 18 plus, and let 3 different ad variations battle it out. No complicated interests, no fancy hacks, just clean, predictable testing. And with day parting on, his money only spent when people were actually awake and buying.
Of the AliExpress listing of the product, and this is going to build the entire product page for us. So I'll take you guys through the process now, and I'll leave a link for Page Pilot in the description below, and you can use code Marco20 to get 20% off. So here we are in the back end of Page Pilot, and the first thing we need to do is we need to connect our store. So we're going to click Connect Shopify here. So I'm going to paste the link to the store here, and then we need to enter the Shopify key, and you have step-by-step instructions on how to get the Shopify key here. But basically you need to go into your Shopify backend and go to your apps, and then click on Apps and Sales Channel Settings, then click on Develop App.
But the real moment of truth came the next day when he checked the results.
So now we're going to go over to TikTok and we're going to launch a campaign. All right, so inside of TikTok ads, we're going to be going for a sales campaign. And here we're going to go for website and then manual campaign. We're going to turn off the catalog. We're going to name the campaign the product name, and we're going to leave all of these exactly as they are. And we're going to click continue.
Most people are terrified to check their dashboard, but he opened TikTok Ads Manager like a man checking exam results he already knows he passed. Clicks were rolling in, CPM was healthy, and TikTok showed 2 sales. But Shopify told the real truth. 3 customers bought, and he made more than he spent. It wasn't life-changing money, but it proved something way more important. The system works.
Then here for the ad group name, we're going to name it ad group 1. And here we're going to select the pixel, and we're going to go for purchase as the optimization event. For placements, we're going to do select placement. We're going to turn these 2 off. Under advanced settings here, we're going to turn off commenting, and we're going to turn off video downloading. Then here under countries, we're going to be going for United States. For the ages, we're going to do 18 and up. And for genders, we're going to do all. We're not going to touch anything else here. For the daily budget, we're going to do $20 a day. We're going to schedule the ads to start from today since it's past midnight. But under day parting, we're going to click select specific time, and we're only going to allow them to spend money from 10 a.m. till the end of the day. So that way we're not going to be wasting.
And now comes the final step, tweaking, scaling, and turning a tiny $19 profit into something that can replace a 9-to-5.
We're inside of Shopify, and as you guys can see, we actually ended up getting 3 sales, and we had $119.85 in revenue, and our conversion rate was 2.88%, which is pretty good. So TikTok.
Now, at any point, if you think it's a lot of work, you are a busy dad or a busy mom, or you have a 9-to-5 day job, then don't worry. The people I'm showing you, they are the real members earning real money from our program, and our program is 99% 90% done for you. You can go to the link in the description and watch this free training, completely free to watch training, and learn about our 99% done for you program. It's a complete step-by-step program. It will answer most of your questions. If you still have questions, chat with this AI chat agent. It is trained to answer just like me. And if you still have questions, shoot me a DM on Instagram or a message on Facebook Messenger, and I will be more than happy to answer any of your questions.
Did actually mistrack one sale, and yeah, we had one sale at 3 p.m. and 2 sales at 6 p.m. and that was basically it for the day. I was hoping we'd get some more sales towards the end, but unfortunately they didn't come through, so we had 3 sales in total.
Because $19 isn't the goal. Proof is. Proof the product sells. Proof the ads work. Proof the system can pay for itself. Now he can raise budgets, test new hooks, try new angles, and watch the best performers rise to the top. This is where beginners quit. But winners double down, refine, and build the momentum that turns small days into 4-figure days.
For $119.85 in revenue. But as you know, we had some expenses, so let's go to the profit loss sheet and let's see how much we actually made. Here we are inside the profit loss sheet, and we ended up having a total of 3 sales. We had $119.85 in revenue. We spent $59.77 on ads. We spent $34.83 to fulfill all the orders, and our payment processing fees were $5.57. So after subtracting all the expenses from our revenue, we ended up keeping a total of $19.68 in.
And if you want the playbook for scaling this into a real side income, even replacing a 9 to 5, I'll break that down in the next video. Stay tuned. Whether you like this video or not, really hit the like button. You know why? Because I gave you the exact training for free that our paid members get. This video is going to be in the members area for the paid members, and you got it for free. So yes, don't you think I deserve a like? Go ahead, like it, share with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Make sure you switch on the notification bell button, and of course, ask your friends and family to subscribe and switch on the notification bell button. It's very important for us because we have a goal of getting 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. And the only way we can do that is when you hit the subscribe button. Go ahead, do it. And for more money techniques, watch these videos and we will see you on the next one.